Simple letter formation, L to Z. L, like our left for leader. It's going to be this shape, right? Start at the top, like all the letters. There we go. Lowercase l, like licking lollipop, straight line down. M, start at the top, straight line down. Then go back up to the top and go down, up, down. That's the M. Lowercase m, start at the top, go down, hiding in the line. Go up, almost to the top, and then sprout out, go down, and then hiding in the line again, all the way up, almost to the top, sprout out sideways, and come down. N, start at the top, come down, go up to the top again like you did with the M, and just go down that way, and then straight up again. For lowercase n, start at the top, go down, hiding in the line just like you did for M, sprout out at the side, but only do it once. Letter O, circle letter, start at the top. Round you go, make a big circle. Lowercase o, exactly the same thing. Start at the top, round you go. That's one of the letters that looks exactly the same for upper and lowercase, doesn't matter. One's just a big one and then the other one's the little one. Letter P. Big uppercase one, start at the top, come down, and a big round bit at the top. Lowercase p, it's another one where you have to hide in the line. So start at the top, its tail hangs down, and then you hiding in the line so no one can see you, go almost to the top and poke out for a little wobble at the top. Uppercase Q is like an O with a stick in it, and lowercase q is kind of like a P but backwards. Shall we take a look? Start at the top, circle around, and put a stick in it. Uppercase Q. Lowercase q, the tail hangs down. Ready? First of all, you kind of start like you're going to make a C, and then like you're doing an A, the tail hangs down and it has a little sticky up bit on the end. Q. R looks a little bit like kicking King K, except it has kind of a roundy bit at the top. I'll show you. First of all, start at the top, straight line down. Now here's the roundy bit, a bit like a P, and then it kicks out a bit like a K. That's the uppercase R. Lowercase r, start at the top, go down, hiding in the line again. Hide, 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 and then poking out and stop. So it's just like a tiny little rainbow shape at the top. It doesn't come down to the ground. Okay. Uppercase S and lowercase s both look the same, except one is big and one is small. Start at the top, make a curly shape around, almost like the letter C, but then kind of change your mind and turn back and go the other way. Exactly the same for the lowercase s. Start at the top, curl around, start like you're making the letter C, but then change your mind and go around the other way. There you go. T. Uppercase 1, start at the top, go down, and right across the top, like that. Lowercase t, same, start at the top, go down, but instead of having it go across the top, you just drop it down the middle. There we go. U, the letter U, starts at the top, comes down, curls around the bottom, and comes up again. Big uppercase U. Lowercase u, kind of the same, starts at the top, curls around the bottom, comes up again, and then hiding in the line and just sticking out a little bit at the bottom. V. Uppercase V, start at the top, go this way, and then jump up again like that, like the bottom of a heart. And lowercase v, exactly the same but smaller, down and up. W. Now I always think W should be called double V because it's kind of spiky at the bottom like a V. Although sometimes you do see it roundy at the bottom like U's, but not very often. So let's do our W. Starting at the top, like the V, make one V, and then make another V. And it's called W, that's our uppercase W. And now, lowercase w looks the same, but it's just smaller. So start at the top, make a V shape, and then another V shape right next to it. W. X. X marks the spot. Start at the top, go sideways, go back up to the top here, and go this way. Big uppercase X. Okay, lowercase x, exactly the same. Start at the top, go this way, go up here, and go back this way. The letter Y. Start at the top, do a bit this way, then start at the top, do a bit this way, and then go down like that for the big uppercase Y. Lowercase y, a little bit different. You start the same way, a bit up at the top, but then when you go up here, you just keep going like that. Last letter, Z. Now Z's a bit different. It does start at the top, but it doesn't go downwards. It goes straight across the sky, like that. And then it goes down. And then it goes straight across the ground. That's the uppercase Z. Lowercase z, exactly the same, except smaller. Starts up at the top, goes across the sky, down and across the ground. All done. Thanks for doing your letters with me. There's a lot of them. The end. The end.